Here we have the current ABUS cylinder range. We start off with a construction cylinder available in key-like options where the keys are purchased separate from the cylinders. Here we have the ABUS E50 PS cylinder, which has pre-snap on it. This is available in a range of double, half and thumb turn cylinders. Here we have the X60 cylinder. This cylinder has approvals to both Sold Secure and under the BS Kite Mark range, and this is also available as a double thumb turn and half Euro cylinder option. Here we have Zolit, and this is the first of our commercial cylinder ranges, which is available with patented and trademark protection on the key. And these are typically the cylinders that we build under Master Key suites. Here we have the Test, which is similar to Zolit. This time we have a unique feature on the key where the key has a curved section to it, and this can also be built under Master Key systems. And it's available also with an additional side pin where we have extra cuts on the key. Here we have Bravus, which is available in level 2000 and 3000, and this uses a reversible key. Again, this is patented and has trademarks on it and can be built into complex Master Key suites with a reversible key. We have it in level 2000, which has 2 rows of pinning, and we also have it in level 3000, which has an additional row of pins as well.